Hello friends, this is Durga from IT University. At this time, I'm talking about how to use Windows effectively as part of our onboarding process to our programs. That being said, if you are not familiar with our programs, look at the description. There is a link. You can actually enroll for our future programs that are relevant at this time. Now, with respect to managing Windows effectively, as part of this topic, I will actually demonstrate how to uninstall a software. Earlier, we have seen how to install a software by understanding the installation lifecycle. Now we'll actually go to the details about uninstalling a software. Uninstalling a software is much more straightforward than installing it. You just have to go to Control Panel, click on Uninstall a program. You will see that feature once you launch the Control Panel, and you just have to uninstall the software. I'll be using Chrome to demonstrate. You can leverage Notepad++ or Slack. You can uninstall them, and then you can reinstall them because they are required to be part of the program. That being said, let me get into the details about how to uninstall a program on Windows using Chrome as an example. In your case, you might not have Chrome and hence you cannot experiment with Chrome. You might be able to use the existing software such as Slack or Notepad++ to experiment. The reason why I have chosen Chrome is because I will be installing Chrome in another topic so that you understand all the details about installing Chrome on Windows operating system. That's why I have chosen Chrome, because it is already there in this Windows operating system on my PC. That being said, the first step to uninstall a software is nothing but going to the Control Panel. You can click on search bar and then search for Control and then Panel. You can see Control spelling here. You will see Control Panel app here. You just have to click on this. It will take you to this page. Control Panel provides you a lot more features than just uninstalling a software. I will be demonstrating about other capabilities at a later point in time. For now, we'll primarily focus on uninstalling a program. You can actually click on uninstall a program here. It will list the programs that are installed here. One of them is nothing but Google Chrome. I just want to uninstall. I can select this, click on uninstall. It will take care of uninstalling it once we actually click on uninstall. In this case, I want to delete all browsing data, and hence I'm selecting this. Now, if I click on uninstall, it will clean up the data that is generated by Chrome, and it will uninstall the Chrome completely from this Windows operating system. It might get you into this page where it might ask you to install Chrome again, or it might ask you to take the survey. You can see here, there is a survey. You can fill the survey if you want, otherwise you can ignore, and then you can take it further. Now, after uninstallation, Windows is prompting you to import everything to Internet Explorer. If you want to do that, you can do that, but I don't have any interest about it, and hence I'm clicking on no thanks. Now, Chrome is uninstalled from this machine. You can see Chrome as part of the taskbar, or even on the desktop. If I go to the desktop, Chrome is deleted from here. Even if you go to the start menu, you will not be seeing the Chrome in the start menu as well. So this is start menu, this is desktop, and this is the taskbar. You can't see Chrome anywhere because it is completely uninstalled from this Windows machine. So this is how you should be able to leverage Control Panel uninstall a program feature to actually uninstall any software. I have demonstrated using Chrome. In future, if you want to uninstall, you can follow the same steps. Sometimes you might have to close the application if it is already running. Otherwise, it will just throw error saying that application used. Make sure that you close. If you don't see here and if it is still complaining that the program might be running, you can go to the task manager. The way you can go to the task manager is you can right click on this, click on the task manager, and you should be able to see the application. If it is running here, you can actually select it and you can click on end task. Then you can actually take care of uninstalling the software. Sometimes the application might be running in background and you will not be able to see anywhere to close it. And when you try to uninstall, it might throw error. At that time, you have to fall back onto the task manager to kill that running program, and then you can uninstall. If it is not visible in the task manager also, it might be running as daemon in your system. You just have to restart, and probably it will facilitate you to uninstall the program. But typical approach is just go to Control Panel, click on uninstall a program, and uninstall from here. That's it. If you like the content, please click on the like button. If you want to share with your friends, you can share with your friends. If you want to be part of our programs, get to the description. There will be a link. You can fill the form and we will actually give you overview about our programs, and then you will be able to be part of our programs. Also, if you want to get these videos as part of our inbox, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also click on notification icon so that the notification is sent to you whenever we add a video to our channel.